Here I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have lots of opened apps at once, they could cause your device to work slower. What you can do about it is to close them all at once. But to do this, firstly you have to enter recents section. Like if you have 3 buttons navigation, you will have recents button. Or if you have gesture navigation, you just slide your finger like this and hold it. Here you can see all of these opened apps, and to close them all at once, you tap clear all, and as you can see, no more apps here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.